Hi everyone! Today we're going to go ahead and make sidewalk chalk. So the materials that you will need is some cornstarch, food coloring, and water. So I have a plastic bowl here, so if you'll get some plastic bowls or plastic cups to go ahead and mix your chalk in, that would be great. First, I'm going to start by taking half a cup of water and dumping it into my cup. You could do more if you'd like, depending on how much sidewalk chalk you would like, but the key is to make sure you use the same amount of water and cornstarch. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a half a cup of cornstarch and pour that into my water mixture. Oops, making a mess. Doesn't have to be perfect, get about half a cup in there. That looks about half a cup to me. It's okay if you make a mess, you can clean it up, have your parents help you clean it up. I'm going to take a mixer now and just stir it all together. It should be thickening up as you mix your solution together. Make sure there's no more clumps left from the cornstarch. It should almost look like milk. Alright, so mine is now free of any clumps. We have to make it look pretty now. So I have my food coloring, and I'm going to go ahead and pour in a few drops. You don't need too much. I want mine to be like a light green, so I'm just going to pour in a few. And then go ahead and mix that again with your spoon. Alright, this is what my chalk mixture looks like now. It should be very liquidy, and that's okay. What you would do next is go ahead and take this outside. If you would like to use your fingers or a paintbrush, that would be best. You can go ahead and just use it like normal chalk. If you would like to, you could also take a mold, like an ice cube tray, and pour this into the ice cube tray and let it sit in room temperature for about 24 hours, and it will become chalk. So either way you like to use it, I think it's a lot of fun to use a paintbrush and go ahead and paint on the sidewalk, and it will wash away just like normal chalk. Have fun, guys!